Oh, welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Miracles happen when you forgive. You are born with the capacity to forgive, but you learn the opposite behavior. You learn not to forgive, you practice not to forgive, and you master not to forgive. When you learn to let go of your pride and ask for forgiveness, miracles start to happen in your life. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. And just give me a second, folks, because I can't. What's happening is that my mouse right now, and I apologize for this, but my mouse has disappeared. Unreal. I know the market's pulling back, that's for sure. My God, I can't believe this. Okay, where did it go? Hey, will you do me a favor? Get my laptop in my office. Unreal. Sorry about this, folks. Bottom line is this. You get option expiration. They run the market up into option expiration. What you're going to see, coming into this close right here, I suspect, folks, is it's going to run right back down where we went topside this morning. Now, that's not going to change the aspect of how we're coming into right here. Thank you. How we're coming into the lows. Well, it'd be nice if I turned Target TV off on my laptop. There we go. Just bear with me 1 second, folks. I'll get this baby up here. So that's not going to change the aspect of what we're going into. So what we're going into on a weekly basis is this. We're going into August of last year. We're going into January of this year on the weekly basis. And we're going into both of those places with dramatically lighter volume. So what does that set up? That's going to set up a run topside with light volume once again next week, going into the Memorial Day weekend, going into window dressing. Deviant, yeah, nice deviant market, no doubt, because what we also still have here is that we have confirmed ABC structures on the way down inside the Dow Industrials, inside the S&P, inside the small caps. What we don't have is that we don't have a confirmed ABC structure down in the small caps. And what I expect you're going to see out here, the way this thing is going to shake out, is that it'll turn into a complex ABC. That means that it gets over the B point, build some more cars, and then guess what? Then see ya, don't want to be ya. Dow Industrials right now are down 43. You get the Nasdaq off 47. S&Ps are down 6.5. Gold contract down $2.40, trading at $1,252 an ounce. We have silver up 3 cents at $16.53 an ounce. Platinum is up 7 at $1,022. You get copper flat at $2.05. Light sweet crude down 31 cents, trading at $48.36. Bonds, the 10-year note up 2 ticks, 129.23. 30-year bond flat, 164.10. And good old King Dollar. King Dollar's up 56 ticks, trading out at 95.35. The yen, the euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 108. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. So let's go over to the world of the S&Ps. We look at the world of the S&Ps, and what you have is this, where the SPY is trading right now at $205.14, and this is a beautiful ABC down too, folks, which is really a trip. So you've gone higher today. You have lighter volume, and bottom line, that's setting up another ABC structure on the way down. That being said, bottom line is that when you take this and we put this on a weekly basis, what do you have on a weekly basis? Well, on a weekly basis, you're coming into the August highs of the lows of last year. And we're doing, that number there, folks, is $199.83. We did 1.6 billion shares there. We're also coming into January of this year. That high is 201.90. So both of those prices we rejected lower price on. Went to the top of them, said, see, you don't want to be here, got out of there, we're at 205. That level right there did 909 million shares. Well, we're only going to do 520 million shares. So you can see the correlation. 520 million shares versus 900 million shares versus the 1.6 billion. So what does that mean? That means that you're going to have to build more cars, meaning bounce back and forth, in order to go break those lows. We take a look at the the 3Qs, same setup in the 3Qs. We have with the 3Qs right now. 3Qs are trading at $106.37. Now, the 3Qs are the only ones that have not broken their B point of an ABC structure on the way down also. So the 3Qs are showing that they're stronger. We take this back, you put this on the weekly basis. What do you have on the weekly basis? Same type of setup. On the weekly basis, what you have, you're coming into the high of the low of August 2015, and we had 449 million shares there. The price point is 106. We've already rejected 106, or at 106.38, and we've come into that with 125 million. So watch this correlation. This is pretty sick. 125 million this week. January 15th, 336 million. August, 449. So you can see that correlation. That correlation is also saying, guess what? This market's just not ready to go down yet. You get a bounce happening. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. It's trading at a price point of $12.52. Sideways move out here today. Gold still hasn't got down into the lower swing point. The lowest swing point in gold is $12.39. So bottom line, they can't whack it down. We've done 187,000 contracts out here today. That is versus 270,000 contracts yesterday, and bottom line is that we have a higher high. I would actually like to see it go below the low of yesterday and then get a higher high. Thus far, though, I'll take what they're giving us, and that's what they're giving us at this particular point. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Give us a call, folks. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow is up 53. Nasdaq's up 51. S&Ps are up 820. We're going to be right back.